Assalamu alaikum. This is Countdown Class 6 and we are doing exercise number 1D, and today we have to do question number 3. Make a list of the pair of sets which are equal from the following. So equal sets, you already know the definition of this, that two or more sets are called equal if they contain the same elements. The elements should be same. Like here, if we have 2, 4, 6, then it should be in the next set also. Like here we have two sets, the elements are 2, 3, 4, and in B the elements are 3, 4, 5, but both are not same. देखिए, इसमें आपके पास 2 है और यहाँ पे 2 नहीं है और 5 प्रेजेंट है, तो जब ये दोनों सेम नहीं होते इसके एलिमेंट्स, तो ये हमारे पास आ जाएगा नॉट इक्वल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपके पास है A इक्वल्स टू 1, 4, 9 और सेकंड के एलिमेंट्स हैं 12, 22 और 32. ये दोनों एलिमेंट्स भी सेम नहीं हैं, so this is also not equal. A is equals to A, B, C, D, E and B is equals to set of vowels of English alphabets, but the set of vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So these both are not same again, so this is also not equal. Next is A is equals to 2 and B is equals to set of even primes. So only one even prime we have, and that is 2. So 2 is equals to 2. This is an equal set. After that, A is equals to multiples of 7 less than 30. Multiples of 7 less than 30 will be 14, 21 and 28, and this is same. So this is also equal. Then next one is A is equals to 0. One element is present here and B is equals to 5. These both are not same, so this is not equal. After that, A is equals to A, B, C, and in this we also have the arrangement is different but the elements are same, A, B and C. So this is also equal. Arrangement भले different भी हो, लेकिन हमारी जो elements हैं वो same होने चाहिए. Like here we have N, I, L, E. I, L, E are same but N and M are different. So this is also not equal. Next is E, A, T. Similar E, A, T. We have the arrangement again is different but the elements are same. So this is also equal. A is equals to X such that X is an even number less than 4. Even number less than 4, only one even number less than 4 we have, and that is 2. So 2 is equals to 2. Both are same, so this is equal. The next is SMQ, and here again we have SMQ. This is also equal. So this is all about question number 3. You have to solve this question on your book today, right? You have to solve this question with your lead pencil on your book. Take care class. Allah Hafiz.